I needed the perfect lighting to replace the chandelier above the kitchen table and the island.
So the table is a large, almost a 60-inch round.
Okay.
But the client requests a large scale fixture. So we're probably gonna go a minimum of probably 36 up to anywhere about 48 or 50.
So when Alena came in, she had a very specific need for her client. Her client was looking for something a larger scale for the dining room, as well as for the outdoor, something more for the pier mount. There's one that I found I think you're really gonna love.
This is beautiful, and it's brushed nickel.
And it's brushed nickel,
so
right?
That is the finish we were trying. Right now they have that kind of oil rub bronze, and we're still open to maybe incorporating that if it's the right fixture. But we were talking about maybe thinking of a nickel transition, and this would be a great...
Makes it more transitional. There is a complementary fixture in the family that would tie in for the kitchen.
This is also what we were looking for. I love this. Now, as a backup, I want at least 2 or 3 more options to show them. So what else you got? As a designer, whenever I'm shopping for lighting, it's always so helpful to come into a store and meet with an associate. So when I got to sit down with AJ today and look through a lot of the catalogs, it really helped us quickly visually narrow down what options we liked and what we didn't like.
So she basically wanted something in a darker finish for the outdoor area, which we were able to provide for her. And we have a lot of resources online that help us narrow it down.
So when we source the fixtures to show Mark and Mary, I think we have a nice balance to kind of give more of the, you know, to balance out that yin and yang of design that we've been kind of going through the process. So we have some that may appeal to her more and some that may appeal to him more, and then hopefully we'll find that happy medium. You can also go to these websites to learn more about the participants on today's episode.